Hey, it's your old pal eating good in the woods here with a 3-ingredient side dish that's gonna knock your socks off. Stick around, I'll show you how. So before we get started, if you like this kind of content and want to see more of it, make sure you mash that subscribe button, check off that old bell icon, maybe even leave me a big thumbs up.
Now I know y'all gonna think this is crazy. Well, that's crazy!
We're making turnip fries. The 3 ingredients you're gonna need: turnips, olive oil, and you guessed it, Bad Byron's butt rub. Take as many of these turnips as you want, peel them, and turn them into fry-size pieces. Olive oil, Bad Byron's butt rub, and into the air fryer, 400 degrees for 10 minutes, shaking occasionally. So there they are, a tasty, delicious alternative to French fries. Y'all try this. See you next time. Love y'all. Bye.